Of course, I got these early. They just came today. I love when FedEx delivers on Sundays. So I can go over these quick quick reviews with you guys. So we're going to look at the Recovery Superman. Again, quick overview. I'm just going to take the figure out, look at it, answer any questions anybody has. So it's in the smaller box, kind of like Destro. The box art has the Superman logo on it with a cape. And then on the back, it just has all the stuff that comes with it. So, quick overview. It's a lot of layers to that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 trays. They fit 4 trays in this little box. Not bad. I like when they're not trying to make it a likeness of like a person, because they can get away with. It's actually really good face sculpt. It looks like the blue. Who was it? Was it Nicolas Cage that did a film test? Look at the seaming. They finally got the seams like nice and tight on these. Chest plate. It's pretty cool. It's actually hard plastic. It's actually really nice. Looks like double jointed elbows. Double jointed elbows. Oh, he's got the tip shoes. I'm sure these are double jointed knees. Yep, double jointed knees. I mean, I'm sure until you actually put everything together, the figure looks a little basic, but the pleather on it doesn't seem like it's gonna get flaky or get ruined. But yeah, I do like that they fixed. That's a really tight seam. I don't know how the hell they did that, but so that's the first head. That's the head that comes with it, or that comes on it. Let's take a look at some of these other heads that come with it. I'm going to call this the Screaming Jesus head. I don't know why. I don't know why that came to my mind, but so there is the second head. There's flowing locks. Third head. It's sometimes. See, the one thing I like about Mezco is that they can get the pupils correct. Like there's a couple items that NECA had that the pupils were like completely off. And let's see if I can get it on this one without the facial hair. Yeah, the pupils are on point with these. The paint's absolutely wonderful. It's amazing paint. But you would expect that like the pupils would be completely off. That says, I just got a haircut head. Oh, this isn't actually a head, it's the robot Superman. That's so cool. That is such a cool piece. So it actually fits into the hand. Looks like the left hand. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's wicked. That is so cool. I don't know why he's looking pensively over there. Actually, I'm going to change his head out. It looks better. I'm going to go with this one. There. He is angry, and he pulled the robot's head off. That's pretty cool. That's the one. I think that's the look that's going in my display. I think I just found my thumbnail too. That's the thumbnail for the video. Let's put this head back. So it looks like some armored plates. It looks like he has an extra set of boots too. Right there. So his shoes must come off. Oh, his shoes come off. Oh, okay. And then so his shoes come off to go all silver, and then these look like they just slip on after you take the shoes off. I'm actually going to do it because I've never seen this on any figure before. So I want to see how this actually looks. So you can pop the feet off. And these slide in. Make sure it's on the right side. Let's see. There we go. So you got to make sure you put it on the right side. And those pop right on. Is it the right foot? Yeah, it's the correct foot. So I think you're going to have to work. Oh, there we go. Okay. Sorry, you guys are watching me struggle with this. Turn this around. There we go. Yeah, so it takes a little force to get the shoes on. But I'll get them. I promise. The left foot. I'm struggling with the left foot. So, I don't want you guys to watch me struggle with getting this foot on. So that's what it looks like when you put the shoes on. Let's see. Yeah, it'll take a little bit of working, but yeah, we'll just go mismatch shoes. So let's see, what else do we have? So let's go to the next tray. Put him back in there. So we have the cape, the stand, the arm. So we have this rock. Let me open this up so there's no glare. You have the rock that you put this in to drape the cape. And then a couple, let's see, ammunition bandolier with removable belt. Okay, so this is the ammunition. And then the belt is actually in the first tray right there. So this is a solid figure. Other than his shoe not cooperating. But, I mean, I'm sure people will figure out the shoe part. So that is the Recovery Superman. We are going to get ready to ship those out Monday, Tuesday. And the next figure up, oh, I need to put his hand back on. That goes there. That goes on his hand. So the next figure up is Storm Shadow, and we'll have a picture of those and video of those when they come in. Thanks, guys, for watching.